My name is Josefa and I'm from the support team of Tradetron.tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to handle a very common error status, which is the error execution. And I will also be talking to you a little bit about what exactly is this error execution status. So let's have a look at what my broker credentials are. I'll go to brokers and exchanges, and to simulate an error execution status, I have uh, I have put in some random letters in my broker and exchanges credentials. So I have opened brokers and exchanges, and you can see here is files. So if I go to edit, you should be able to see my Fire's account. In client ID, I have put some random text, which is not my Fire's account. So obviously, it is not going to be able to place an order. So let's try opening a strategy. I'll just look for itc.tradetron.tech. This strategy fires one share of ITC as an order in order to test the connectivity between uh, your Tradetron account and the broker's server. So I'll just duplicate the strategy, and after that I will go to my strategies. So in my strategies, I will see the ITC strategy that is there here. So I'll simply deploy this in live auto to show you. Um, and I'll select my broker as files. So let me go to the deployed page. So until the order gets fired, let me just walk you through what exactly is this error execution status. Error execution is a status that Tradetron puts when it does not receive a response regarding an order fired. So let's assume Tradetron has fired an order for you when your condition is satisfied, and when this happens, your from the broker's end there is no response, or the responses is very delayed. In that case, what happens is Tradetron does not know if your order was placed successfully or not. In this case, we cannot place a second order because we don't know if your previous order has been accepted, partially placed, or fully placed, or not received by the broker's end. So, in this case, in order to play it safe, we ask for user intervention, wherein we put the strategy on error execution status. So, as you can see, the status here has changed to error execution manage. Um, One great feature that we've also added is that along with this error execution status, you will get a call on your contact number within 3 minutes of this status being flashed. So this will be an auto-generated call. So in case if your strategy goes into an error execution, you will get a call from us within 3 minutes. Now, how are you supposed to manage this error execution? So when you click on manage out here, you will see there are three different options. Now, one critical thing to do at this point of time is that you are supposed to go to the broker's account, log into your broker's account, and go to the order book and check if the order that you are trying to place was it placed or not. And if the order was placed, has it been filled or not? If you go to the order book and have a look and find that the order has already been placed, and for whatever reason Tradetron has not been updated about it, you can simply go to completed manually, and you can tell Tradetron that this order has been placed. If in case you see that the order was not placed, uh, uh, and subsequently it is not even being filled, in that case, what you can do is you can simply come here and click on try again. So when you click on try again and then you click on proceed, uh, what it does is that the system will try to fire another order for the same position. So you have to take note out here that this will try to fire the exact same order that it was trying to fire previously due to which the error execution occurred. So this way, you can ask the system to try again to fire the order. If in case you see that the order that the signal that was generated for your order at present it has got missed, and you do not wish to place the order again, at that time what you can do is you can simply go to error execution and click on manage again, and then click on cancel. So in that case, your strategy will go back to the previously held status that it had. So currently, if you see, the status is active. It is trying to fire the order, and in some time I see that the error execution status will pop up again because I have used dummy details. So now I can just click on manage. If I don't want to proceed with the order and I don't want to proceed with firing the same order, and I can simply click on cancel. So when I click on cancel, note it will not cancel any other order. It will not in reality cancel. It will simply ignore this order that you are trying to place, and it will continue running the strategy the way it was previously. So let's assume previously if it was on active state, in that case now also it will continue being on active state, wherein it will check for your conditions. If previously it was on live entered state, it will go back to live entered state and it will check for your exit conditions. One tip to check if your order to check the reason why your error execution happened is that you can go to these three dots out here and you can find the notification log. So here is the notification log, and just click on it. Within the notification log, you will see each and every details of why the order was rejected. So if in case, as you can see, my entry was satisfied, it was crunching the position, and then it gave me a response saying the user access token is not generated. This means that the server of the broker's end has rejected my order. So if in case you see there is something like RMS, or if you see something related to token, or if you see some message from the broker saying invalid password or something like that, that generally means that the broker has received the order but has rejected the order. In that case, you don't necessarily need to check in the order book. However, if you see that there is no message out here and there is nothing that you can understand clearly as a response from the broker, in that case it is safer to go and check on the order book of your at your broker's end if the order was placed or not, and then subsequently you can take action. So I hope this session on error execution was able to help you. If you have any questions or any queries related to this, please feel free to get in touch with us on support@tradetron.tech. Thank you.